Welcome back to another day of our special training. So why am I going into the graphic design stuff? I noticed that designing of logo has always been a challenge for a lot of people after collecting a big money from a client. Maybe you've collected because there's no logo now. If you want to design a logo that's less than 25K, actually you can do it by yourself at home. If you want a logo for your company, for yourself, you can do it actually by yourself. Then if you want to give it, if you're a graphic designer, so you also, if you already collected somebody's money and you don't know how to create the name, I'll give you the scope on how to do this for yourself. Understand? So now I'll be giving you some tips. I want you to always write my command down. Always write these tips I want to give you down. Understand? I'll be putting it behind you so you can write it down because, so now let's assume, but let me tell you something, that this Google AI is not actually good for creating a logo. I'll be introducing this particular one. This is a particular major one that I'll be using for logo. This labs.google/fs. So this is a particular one I'll be using for logo. Make sure that when you open this, it's always on image fs. So now on this particular page, you click on this place, you now type what you want here. So I now say, okay, create a details of word art concept. So now here in this place now I can now say, okay, my name, or whatever things you want to do, whatever. So in a style, so I'll just say, okay, in a so you can see all my style among there. So you can click the one that you want to use there. Alright, understand? So also this mode means that what is your particular work that you are dealing with. So if you are if you are a cameraman, so I can just say, okay, put camera here. You understand? If you're a fashion designer, you can put a fashion here. If you are anything you are doing, just put it here. Then let's say create. Let's see what it will create for. This particular one, I will not give you only one answer. It will give you like 4 or more than 4 logos. So you cannot pick which one that suits you inside. So now let's try and work with Gemini. You can see this one has already uploaded. You can see the logo that is given to me as a cameraman. So you have all these 4. So you cannot select which one is good for what I want to do. So I have this. You cannot download. So you can download easily. Then also can I have this? I can download. So now you can now take it to Photoshop in case you now want to do any work on it. So you have a lot of logo. I have 4 here. This one creates 4 for me. So let's give the same command to Gemini and give the name. Don't forget, you change the name to your style. Understand? So then also, after giving the name, then the style. So I just give, please make sure that this style that I'm giving you, that you see on the screen, make sure you write it down so that in case you want to use anyone inside. So now the mode, I can now say, okay, camera. But I've already told you that the lab is the one that will give you the sweet result. I'm just trying to compare the 2 results together. You can see this already. It's already giving me a lot of banger logo that I actually want. So you can see. So now this is still loading. So let me go and check under my download and see the one that I have here. So you have this here. So you have all this logo here. So already, so I cannot pick which one is suitable for me. Then I cannot take it to Photoshop and started working on anyone that I want to work on. So this is how to get a perfect logo for your company, either for your office or for your personal use. You understand? So you don't need to stress yourself or paying 50K to get a logo for somebody. So that's just how this work. So you can let me check under my Gemini now. You can see what Gemini gave to me. So which is not suitable as, so but it still work also. So that's how we create logo. So that's what we'll be dealing with today. So check the command, always check my command, always write my command down, then you can now change it to your own style. So thank you for today. Make sure you subscribe, like, and you comment on my comment section. So let me see your own results of what you've done, then I will know where to come in if there's any question. So thank you.